Flowise versus Dify, Best Automation Tool 2025. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you a comparison between Flowise and Dify to help you decide which automation tool is best for you in 2025. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to know is that Flowise is an open source UI visual tool that helps in building customized LLM workflows using LangChains, while Dify is an AI tool focused on streamlining AI application development with GPT-4 models. Over here, Flowise supports Docker for easy deployment and is suitable for both commercial and personal use, whereas Dify allows teams to quickly create and deploy AI-powered applications. After that, let's talk about features. Flowise offers modular workflows, enabling seamless integration with APIs, pre-trained models, and custom scripts. It also comes with debugging tools for error logging and visual debugging. Then, on the other hand, Dify provides automated data preparation, a WYSIWYG prompt editor, and context management to make AI application development more efficient. Over here, when it comes to user experience, Flowise is best for developers who need deep customization and control over automation, while Dify is designed for both technical and non-technical users, making it more user-friendly. After that, if we look at use cases, Flowise is ideal for complex automation tasks, such as multi-layered document processing systems, whereas Dify is better suited for customer service chatbots and semantic search engines that require efficient data preparation and prompt engineering. So that's the comparison between Flowise and Dify. That's all for this video.